Hi guys, my name is Rohit and in this video I will show you that how you can reset your WordPress website. So currently this website we have, you can see here this is a very beautiful website that I have made. I'm also gonna make a tutorial on this. If I go to services, then you can see here we have a very beautiful services section, and if I scroll down, this is how it looks. Also we have different other sections like blog, like this, a beautiful card reveal effect like this. And then if I go to about section, we have a beautiful about section and also a contact section like this. So now this is the website which we are gonna reset to its original form, you can say a default one. So how you can do that? You just need to go to your backend by pressing /wp-admin in front of your domain name. So you will reach to window like this, and this bar at the top will appear. So what you need to do, you need to just hover your cursor over the title, go to dashboard, then you will see a window like this. Now you need to scroll down and you need to click over the plugins, and then you need to add a plugin here. So I will click over add new. Then you need to search here reset, RESET, like this, and hit enter. You will have these WordPress plugins here. So we need to install and activate this one, reset, that says WP reset most advanced WordPress reset tool. I have already installed it, so I need to press here on activate. You need to first install it, then you need to press on activate, and this plugin will be activated like this. So now what you need to do, you need to scroll down a bit, and here at the left hand scroll bar you will see your tools, and in the tools section at the very bottom we can see here we have WP reset. So if I click over WP reset, then this window will appear. We need to scroll down to the bottom, and we have here these three options. If you want to reactivate your current theme, so you can check this option, and if you want to reactivate reset plugin that you have installed, WP reset, so you can click here. And if you want to reactivate all your plugins, then you need to click here. Otherwise you can just uncheck them all if you want a very clean website as you got at the very beginning. So you need to uncheck them all and press here reset, RESET, like this. Then just click over the reset site here, and this window will appear. Now just click over reset WordPress, and the process has begun now. Then you can see here we have our website as we have earlier when we just installed our WordPress. So if I click over here and visit my site now, it will be showing like the default one like this. So that's it. This is how we can reset our website very easily. It's very simple. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming awesome content. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.